Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is part 2 of the first foldable. So we're going to go ahead and continue like we did on the last one. So we have the 5 cube root of xy plus the cube root of xy. So if we already can see here that our indexes are the same. So same index, which is a good sign. Okay, move my pencil out of the way. And then we're going to look at the radicands. So our radicand is xy. Radicand xy. Remember, radicand means the number or variables that are underneath the radical. So is the radical here, is the radical here. So xy, xy are the same, so that's good. So it means we have the same radicand. That means we can actually simplify this expression. So we're going to go and look at the coefficients we have in front of these. We have a 5 here. And if there's nothing in front, we can always put a 1. And then we're going to do our distribution, which was our 5 plus our 1. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and add our cube root of xy. And remember, we can do this because this is distributive property. Distributive, or distribution property. Okay, and then we're just going to simplify. So when we simplify, we get 5 plus 1, and that's going to be 6 cube root of xy. And that's going to be our answer for that one. Let's go ahead and move on to this one over here. We have the square root of 3x minus 2 square root 3x. So once again, we can see that we have here the square roots. So it's the same index. And then now we get to look at the radicand, and we see 3x and 3x. So that's great news. We have the same radicand. So now we get to look at the numbers in front of our radicals, which in front of this one we don't have anything, so we can put a 1. And then we have our minus 2. So once again, we're going to do our distribution. It's going to be 1 minus 2. And we're going to go ahead and write our expression, which is the square root of 3x. And we can do this, remember, because of distribution. So now we're just going to go ahead and simplify. And we get 1 minus 2 is negative 1 multiplied by the square root of 3x. But negative, you don't really have to write negative 1, so we can just write negative square root of 3x. And this is our awesome solution.